Hi, this is just a quick recording on how to export a .imp file into QGIS and then convert it to a DXF to insert into a drawing as an underlay with pipe labels and stuff on it. So first you need to open your water network file. So this was the latest version here of the file we've been working on. It's quite a reasonable network, as you can see. Underlay and to start export network.imp. So we'll go to there and save it in that same location as an IMP file, so we can import it into QGIS. Okay, now that we've exported the IMP file, we can go to QGIS and bring that up. But in QGIS, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't got it loaded already, is load in this plugin called import.imp files. And once that plugin is loaded, under your plugins menu, you will get this options here to import a EPAnet file. So we just select that and then browse to the file that we created just before. Here it is, and then we open that, and then it's going to ask you what coordinate system you're in. And now it's going to import everything into your drawing. If we zoom in, you can see we have numerous strings representing pipes, etc. And then under the pipes, we have pipes table on my current other screen, which just has all of the pipes with the internal diameters, lengths, etc., roughness, and all that. And what we're going to do next is create a label for all the pipes, and you update this description to reflect the actual call out that you want to use for each pipe. Okay, now we're going to update. So with the pipe table open, we just select the rows with the diameter we want to update. So hold down the shift key and scroll down, say, and let's select all the 51 internal diameter pipes, and then we open the field calculator. Then we say we're going to update an existing field, in this case the description, and then in here we just type what we want the description to be. So it'll be a DN63, DN63, PN 12.5 for the pressure rating, and PE 100 for the formula for the plastic. And then once we've done that, we just go OK, and you'll see that it adds that to the description field. Next step, we'll add a symbol to the line work to pull that description field through and label the pipes. Okay, now that we've worked through your table of pipe sizes and got all your descriptions that you want to use in your labels, and then we can now add them to the map. So we shut the table, and then the pipes, we right click and we can go into properties, and we can go to labels, single labels. The value, we can choose the pipe description, and then for the CAD export scale, we can put something in there, And we can make the size of the label something that will work for when you export it out of CAD, and you can change the font to whatever you like. Not sure what I did last time, but let's try Arial this time. And then we can change the color to whatever you want. Just go apply, okay. And so now in the drawing, we now have labels on each pipe string. Okay, now that we've got the labels showing in QGIS, we want to export the line works and labels to a CAD drawing to use as an Xref into our drawing production. So all we have to do is go project up here and export to DXF. Then we choose a location to save it. Done this numerous times before, so let's just save that as a second version. We set the symbology. We want things on separate layers for different types of pipe, etc. Then we set the scale and the coordinate system. And we can also set the fields. We want to set have the pipes on separate layers for save their diameter. And then we tick on export the labels here, and then we just go OK. And then QGIS says it's successfully written out the DWG. Then we can go to the folder where we exported it, and we can open it up in CAD. And you can see that we have a drawing with labels in it and pipes. And then hopefully all the layers, pipes are on different layers, so it's created a layer for each different pipe diameter. And now the next step will be tidying this up a bit so it will come in easily as an Xref. Okay, now that we've got the DXF drawing, I just want to fix up a few things before we put it in as an Xref. So the first is the units. By default, the DXFs out of QGIS come in as feet. So we want to change the unit to meters. And then to keep it nice and tidy, we want to edit the drawing settings as well. Change that to meters, and then change it to New Zealand projection. Mount Nicholas circuit down here in Queenstown. Okay, apply. And also I like to add masks to the back of all my labels. So I just select similar all the labels. And they are probably separated out on different layers depending on the size. So let's do it another way. Just select everything in the drawing and go in texts. And now I have a Lisp command that you can just download called bmask. And I can say use background mask, change it to pure white. And go OK, OK. And now you can see that each label has a white background mask to it. And we might also want to now save that as a DWG. DWG, save. Now it should be good to bring into our as an Xref. So this is the previous drawing with some previous versions of the Xrefs in the drawing. So I will just detach those. And now I've also got some labels. They've gone. Now I will attach the new version. And now just do a regen as with the image there. It's not coming up for some reason. REA. Oh, yeah, there we go. So now we can see that we've got the model line work as an Xref with the labels in the background. And if we want to bring in the label, say, for example, in this job, we just want to overlay that old label. We can use the NC command to select label in Xref, hit twice. That brings a copy of the label in. And now we can just move it, say, and disguise or hide the previous pipe size. That's it.